Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to view credit card number on Apple Pay. First thing first, on your iPhone, open the Wallet app and know that viewing your card number information is quick and can be done directly in the Wallet app. This works for the Apple Card as well as many other cards you've added to Apple Pay. Tap the card you want to view, then tap the More button, which is the three dots in the top right corner. Tap the card number icon, which looks like a card, then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and you'll now see your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. If you're using Apple Card, you can also tap additional card numbers to view the last 4 digits of your Apple Pay card number or titanium card number. This feature is also available on iPad and Apple Watch, so you can access your card info across all devices. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.